Hello guys, Roshan864 here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to be quick unboxing the Xiaomi Mi 9T Pro. So let's get to it. So this is the bag. We'll just take it out of the bag, and this is the box of the phone. This is the Mi 9T Pro with Snapdragon 855, which is the top CPUs you can get on a smartphone currently. And I have just took the tape off so it'll be quicker for the video. And now let's just lift the box up. The box is quite nice. This is 64 gigabytes with 6 gigabytes RAM, glacier blue color. And then we have this little top thing. And if we open it, we got a SIM card ejection tool. And we take that out. We have got some user guide and warranty card. Let me get this in focus. And then we do have a case included, which is really nice of Xiaomi to include. Let's just have a look at the case. This is a case, black, nice, not that nice, I mean it's okay. You see include one with the Mi logo. Now let's lift up the phone. As you can see, here's the phone. Not sure how we'd get this out apart from doing that. This is the glacier blue color, as you can see. It's really nice. Dual SIM card. 2 nano SIMs. You cannot put SD card inside though, so that's a bit disappointing. And how are we going to open this? I'm just reading that there. Satisfying part. Let me get this to focus, not focusing. It looks amazing. Full screen. Glacier blue color. There's the 3 cameras. The 48 megapixel, which is the standard, and you have a wide angle and a zoomed in 2x telephoto lens, and there's the dual flash underneath. Put this phone to the side. After, actually, you have your SIM card slot, Type C speaker, dual speaker. You got your power button, you got your volume button, you got your headphone port. That's really good. They include headphone port and your camera, pop-up camera. There should be a follow-up video to this with a more in-depth comparison or review about the phone. So we lift this up, and here we've got some earphones. You can see here, decent, not the worst, not the best. You've got your Type C charging cable, and you've got your, let's get this out. Sorry about that, I can't get it out. How do people get these out? Let me pause the video once. Okay, so I used some force and managed to get it out. The phone does support 27 watts Qualcomm Quick Charge 4 Plus with power delivery charging. But how much is this charger? Let's have a look. Autofocus. This charger seems to be let me see. Okay, as you can see there, it says Qualcomm Quick Charge 3, this charger. So this is the only 18 watt, but the phone does support up to 27 watts. And this is USB on there and European plug there. So that is the unboxing of the phone, the quick unboxing. Thank you for watching. Bye.